Hey, welcome traders. So let's see here. What are we looking at? We are in a short right now. And what I'll bring to your attention is the first thing is the Maverick AI Pro is coloring my candles pink. And boy, do we love pink candles when we're going short. Pink is your hottest momentum down candle. Okay, so the Maverick AI Pro, it doesn't just color your candles, big deal, and give you all these guides and arrows and things like that. But one of the great things about it is it will alert you to essentially strength and momentum, upward or downward. Bright green is your MVP, if you will. Bright green is your most valuable player going up. That is going to be your hottest momentum going up. And bright pink is going to be your most valuable player going down. That is who you want. So we're about 120 bucks up on this trade. Big deal. But bring some things to your attention. Number one is we broke below the Maverick guide. That is your blue line. Remember, when we are above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we are below the Maverick guide, we're going to go short, okay? The other thing is we are below the Maverick 200. Okay, so that's just your 200 EMA. But what the Maverick AI Pro does is it colors it to let you know, because really it's not the best idea to always go long, in my experience, to go long during normal trading hours, when you're below the 200. But when you're, but if you want to go short and you're below the 200, that's not a bad idea. We have a red background. The Maverick AI Pro has let us know, hey, we're in a downtrend, which sometimes is hard to see with the eyeball. Okay, depending on your the time frame. We're up about $240 on this trade. We have multiple down candles. We definitely have multiple down candles. We have multiple down arrows. Okay. Now you can see we had a little chop in here. It was kind of choppy since you came up, and then you had in pre-market, and then we kind of started to go down, and then we started to chop downward. But this is why this indicator is so valuable, because to my eye, if I just had regular green and red bars on here, I'd just be going, we're in sideways chop. Not much to do here, right? I'd probably just dismiss this entire chart. Now, that's me as a trader. It's me personally. But because the Maverick AI Pro can pick up on all the nuances and really give me clear vision, and oh yeah, here we go. Pink candles, baby. We say when you see pink, it just might sink. Okay. And you can tell that this is we're on a downward trend, right? Our Maverick Multi-X, that is the indicator at the bottom of the screen. The Maverick Multi-X is looking at 6 different time frames, 5 independent formulas per time frame. So let's break that down. Instead of having 6 monitors in front of your desk, this is taking care of that. What the Maverick Multi-X is doing is it's looking at 6 time frames, and you can set those time frames totally customizable. If you want them to be 30 minutes, 60 minute, 4 hour, you have that freedom as a user. And the let's see here, a row or column, what's going up and down, the F1, the F2, the F3, the F4, the F5, those are independent formulas that are looking at, let's take the 1 minute chart, for instance. You have 5 formulas looking at the 1 minute chart to determine, are we going up or are we going down? So it's like sending 5 analysts to the 1 minute chart, 5 analysts to the 1 minute chart, and saying, let's determine, are we going up or are we going down? And if we're going down, we're going to color the box red. And if we're going up, we're going to color the box green. And that is the power of this indicator. Imagine having 5 different analysts look at a time frame and let you know their opinion. Now, also remember, your fastest time frames are the quickest to turn. So we always move color from left to right, right? The 1 minute is going to change direction before the 15 minute or the 30 minute or the 4 hour, right? Okay. So this trade is looking really good. So let's keep an eye on this trade. I'm going to leave my screen up to be recorded, and if we put it up on YouTube, I'll just speed it up. All right, so I'm jumping back here on the computer. We are up 610 on this eval trade, so it's beautiful. This is a 50K account we're going for, and we just got to do 3K, so it'd be nice to get a nice chunk of that in one trade. What are we looking at? Let me walk you through. Number one, we are completely red from left to right on our Maverick Multi-X, okay? The 1 minute is completely red. The 2 minute is completely red. The 3, the 5, the 10, you have one holdout formula on the 15. Outside of that, you have 29 out of 30 formulas on 6 different time frames all saying, we're going down. You are below your Maverick 200. It is red now. You are below your Maverick guide. Remember, when we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. When we're above the Maverick guide, we go long, and we are below the Maverick guide. We consistently get these down arrows letting us know that the fastest part of our indicator is saying we are going down, all right? And we have pink candles. Pink candles with a red background. Pink candles are my favorite. When I see pink candles, I get so dang excited. Probably because I like to take short trades, but man, when I see pink candles, I just love it. Bright green candles or pink candles, again, are your highest momentum. They got steam behind them. They got energy behind them. And you can tell by looking at the chart that it works out a lot. So we'll continue to monitor this trade. Easy for you to say. It is a Friday, so I'm going to use caution. I'm not looking for big gains on a Friday because Fridays, you know, if you're a trader, you know Fridays are kind of wacky. And Fridays are a day that most traders lose money. So I'm going to play cautious on this, and I'm just going to let the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X give me the guidance to make this trade. So stay tuned. I'm going to leave my computer up, and we keep rocking out. All right, so this sucker is just going to keep coming down. Remember, we have the red background on the Maverick AI Pro. We are below the Maverick guide, that blue line. We are below the Maverick 200, and it is red. And we have down arrows, and it's pink. We have pink candles. We say when it is pink, it just may sink, right? And then your Maverick Multi-X, 6 different time frames, are all red. They're all saying, okay? So they're all saying down. So listen, if you're interested in either the Maverick AI Pro or the Maverick Multi-X, either one of these indicators, check us out. Go to maverickindicators.com. That's maverickindicators.com. It can really be the game changer you are looking for in your trading. I'm going to keep trading this sucker. We're over 800, and yeah, head over to maverickindicators.com, and we would love to have you check us out. All right, happy trading.